Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to pin a website to the Windows taskbar in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Edge, and now you just need to open up any page you want to pin. For example, I just gonna open up google.com. After opening any page, you just need to click on this three dot icon over here and select more tools, and in here you just need to select pin to taskbar. Select it, and now you just need to select yes. Would you like to pin Google to your taskbar? Select yes. And now as you can see, there is a link to the web page down in the taskbar, as you can see here. Now just close it off here. Now open it. This will launch Microsoft Edge and direct to whatever page you pinned it to taskbar. So if you want to unpin it, you just need to close it off here. Now you just need to right click on it and select unpin from taskbar. That's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.